Hello and welcome to the New Year's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. New Year's celebrations on high with fireworks on the waterfront. The Urban Development Corporation UDC treated patrons to scintillating live entertainment at their annual New Year's Eve celebration dubbed Fireworks on the Waterfront. The family-friendly event featured top-tier performers including Dance and Dynamite's 2019 champions Too Cool, upcoming singer Mortimer, gospel singer Jermaine Edwards, Grammy-nominated singer Etana, dancehall artists Ding Dong to Ching Ching, Styla G, Javelani, and reggae powerhouse Luciano.
The first time I saw so me with the hand like hard right before party starts so me then take to a girl over once. What are they? Stop them and pull up for
yeah, more food that come out of the kitchen. Yeah, not just dumping alone in the pot.
That was the same way, still that's a normal thing them same way, isn't it? More progress, success said we.
Your love reaches way down deep within, passes human understanding. We have the good thing there. The valley we have the good thing there. King Street have the good thing there. Maybe rhythm rub down, maybe rhythm rub. Me not like when Mr. Cheer done. Pull up. Alright. Down at town. You see that event here? Of the poor people.
We are working on our attractions. All our attractions, of course, expect some exciting stuff for Duns River Falls in particular. But we have big projects going on, projects here downtown, projects over in Port Royal. We have new projects coming in Ocho Rios, and we have Goat Islands Wildlife Sanctuary. We're looking at our environmental programs, and our big project that we'll be completing in 2020 is the Closed Harbour Beach Park in Montego Bay, which will be completed next year.
Fireworks on the Waterfront is a celebration of the development of the UDC. It's